So g'day. How are you? Welcome back. Started editing this video and yeah, Bill in the shed realised he hadn't even done an intro. So this is an intro from the future of what I've done in the past. And I think I got the exhaust system cleared. So that's what this one's about. It's been filmed over 2 months, maybe couple of weeks. Yeah, it's up in the air. So I'll give you that warning. And yeah, so quick intro just to say that so I can get this edited out and get the get the YouTube up and running. Keep that thing going because yeah, the last one went well. Appreciate that. Thank you all. Um yeah, subscribers jumped up a bit, the views jumped up a lot, so yeah. Getting there slowly. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Got me mutts barking again. Right when I'm trying to do this, so you don't have to put up with that because, like I said, I'm in the middle of editing and I just want to get this knocked out. So, all right, stick around, check it out, see how it went. Hopefully, it helps you guys out in the end. If you're doing this crazy shit, I'm going to try to. Not going to, I am trying to do. So, yeah. Again, thanks a lot, guys. Cheers, appreciate it. All right, I'm back off to the editing and yeah, enjoy watching. All right, guys. Well, I'm not called the fool in the shed for nothing. As you saw, I turned the car around, brought her in backwards, thought it was great, and then the next day, the exhaust shows back up. So, I push her all back out again, turn it around, bring it in nose first, test fit the engine, test fit the pipe, to make sure we've got enough clearance for our power steering box this time. I'll bring her in, try to bring her in closer for you to have a bit of a geezer. Yeah, so we've notched him out there. Hopefully I'm holding this up close enough for you. Yeah, hopefully that's enough because I definitely do not want to take any more out of it. And we've just tacked him in because if I do need to take more, which I'm praying I don't, yeah, it's easier to take out a tack weld than a full solid weld. All right, fingers crossed. Let's hope this fits. Oh, won't bother filming all the fitting of the engine again. The bloody cat's in the rafters up here. Scares the jeebus he's out of me. So yeah, I'll get this in and bring this down, have a look to see what clearance we have. Fingers crossed, we got it this time. Ricky, what are you doing up there? Trying to get the birds that are on the other side of the roof. Feed cat. Well, I just filmed a few minutes of doing something and telling you all about everything and how I did it and this, that, and the other. I didn't have my bloody microphone on, did I? Anyway, sorry if you can hear the fan going. It is hot right now. I wouldn't. Oh, hang on. I might know the temperature. Give us a guess. It's only about 28 degrees Celsius. Just stuffy. All right. I got my 4 bolts in. I was having trouble with one, but I got him in there. I'm just going to tighten them up, lower this down, check for clearance, see how we go. What do we have? This, that, and that. Oh, got to go underneath. I'll get that one first. It was the tightest one. Didn't have me light before. I'll take me light this time. And you couldn't hear a word I was saying because I didn't have a damn microphone on. The fool in the shed, eh? Here we go. Underneath. Bit of light. Ow. Oh, don't take it out. There's a bucket to get in there. Ah. One hand up. You can hear it. You want to go grab yourself a drink or something, that'll be a good time to do it, because you're not really watching here. Oh, I wish I'd got me 2 hands on this. Should have jacked the car up. It's a test fit, I just want to get it done. Come on. Ah. One of those ones that is tight, too tight for your finger, but too loose for the spanner. Or socket, whatever the hell it is I'm using here. Now, that's nipped up. Anyway, so you get the idea. Oh, I'll get these nipped up. Check that I've got my microphone on, and we'll get back to checking our clearance. Okay, so as you can see there, she's still heading. We are clearing, but that's not going to be enough, because if the motor starts a rocking, she shall be a knocking, and I ain't going to want to listen to that. So we're nearly there. Very, very close. So, out again. Maybe give it a love tap or two. Yeah, hopefully we get it the next time. Alright, I'll rip this out of here and we'll see where we're at. Okay, so I'm not sure how great you can see that. Me wobbling around here. But you can see our mark here. That's where it was touching. So made a scratch there. And so we're probably going to do something like just in this area here. Now, and more so the bottom. Definitely wide enough. We've just got to go deeper. So that's what our plan is. It's alright guys, I've got the extractor bolted up now. I've got it in, notched out. She's all clearing. I'll bring you down here in a sec and we'll show you how we're doing. So let's get into that. I'll bring you in. I'll get you down here guys. I think that pretty much shows it. I think we're going to clear. So yeah, we'll get this out of here. Get him patched up. And we should be good to go. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I'm glad we're going to clear all that area there. Yeah. Yeah, definitely plenty of room there now. Give him a rock. I think we're good. Alright, let's rip it out of there and I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, there we are. All notched out. Clearing. We'll get that welded up. Put a bit of paint on there. I know it doesn't look pretty. It's what you have to do. You know, sometimes you just got to do stuff you don't want to do to get it done. So, a bit like hard work. You don't really like doing that, but you got to do it to get it done. So, anyway, on that, I'll just like to say, and if you're sitting on your bum, you won't get it done. So, off your bum, get out and get it done. Anyway, oh, just noticed, looks like I was had a bit of a leak. Huh. No, don't worry about that now, because we got other things to worry about. So yeah, just keep in mind, if you're ever going to put power steering in your old Falcon that doesn't just have power steering, there's a few things you need to do. And I tell you what, it hasn't been easy sailing. But I kept going, kept pushing through. I think we're clear. I think I'm safe here now. The power steering box is safe there now where it is. Everything's done properly. And yeah, like I said, not easy work, but hey, nothing's easy. No good job's ever easy. So, oh, still got to work on the steering column. So yeah, there's that to do as well. I'll try and show you that. Because the reason I'm actually doing this is there's no footage or help. There's a little bit of help on Facebook. A few guys there helped me out. I don't know who they are. They're just Facebook people. They helped out. Few ideas they had. My mate went through the same trouble with his extractors, so I knew about that. And I've lost my train of thought. Where was I going with that? Yeah. So yeah, I thought I'd film it, just so there's something out there, so whoever's next can have some type of idea of where they're heading. Because I almost went into this blind, one eye shut, and you'd say, blind in the other. But yeah, that's the reason I filmed this bit. So just to let you know, it's not as easy as just unbolting something and bolting it in. And if it works, hey, if you come across that and you get able to unbolt it and bolt it in, good on you, man. Tell me what you did, because I struggled. So got the old inspector here, making sure I'm making the right video. So he's come in to put his 2 bobs worth in. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. I don't know why I wave my arms around every time I do this. Maybe I've got wavy arms. Yeah, so share it with your friends, aunties, uncles, and grandma as well. Don't forget to, yeah. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.